How to get thicker eyelashes naturally. Welcome to Health Conscious. We produce daily videos on a wide range of health-related subjects. Wish you had thicker eyelashes? Stress that your lashes aren't long enough? You're not the only one. Both men and women wish they had thicker eyelashes, to make their eyes stand out from the crowd. There are many explanations behind thin eyelashes, like age, certain clinical issues, lack of certain nutrients, an eye infection, or hormonal changes in the body. Some other causes of thin eyelashes are from rubbing your eyes roughly and not taking off eye makeup at night, which can prompt the sensitive lashes to fall out. The main thing to do when trying to make your eyelashes healthier is to take proper care of them. There are also some straightforward approaches to enable your eyelashes to develop. Remember that fixes won't work the same for different individuals. It might take a few weeks, or a few months, for it to start working. Likewise, you may need to attempt more than one before you find the cure that is right for you. Castor Oil. Castor oil enables eyelashes to grow, and can likewise fight bacteria by preventing them from developing. Take a clean brush or Q-tip and put castor oil on your eyelashes before going to bed. You can additionally add some vitamin E oil to the castor oil before application. Leave the oil on overnight, and rinse it off when you wake up. You can also blend 2 tablespoons of castor oil with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Apply it to your eyelashes using a cotton swab or Q-tip. Leave it on overnight, and rinse it off in the morning. Attempt one or both of these cures every day for a few months. Olive oil. Olive oil nourishes lashes, and makes them become thicker. It likewise assists with keeping the eyelashes dark. Let's go over how it works. Dip a clean, old mascara stick or Q-tip in warm olive oil. Before you go to bed, apply the oil on your lashes, similar to how you would put on mascara. Leave the oil on overnight, and flush it off in the morning with lukewarm water. Do this every day for a few months, until you're content with the way your eyelashes are. Aloe vera. An extraordinary way to grow your eyelashes is utilizing aloe vera, because it has a lot of vitamins and nutrients. It will also help keep your eyelashes moist. Prior to bed, put fresh aloe vera gel on your eyelashes with a mascara stick. Once again, leave the gel on overnight, and rinse it off in the morning with warm water. Or you could blend together 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon jojoba oil, and 1 teaspoon of chamomile infusion. Place this blend on your eyelashes twice a day with an old, clean mascara stick. Leave it on for 15 minutes, and wash it off with warm water. Follow either option every day for a couple of months for it to work. Egg. Due to eggs having a lot of protein, they are very good for growing thicker eyelashes. They additionally have vitamins that help the texture of your eyelashes. Beat 1 egg and 1 tablespoon glycerin into a thick, rich mixture. Put it on your eyelashes utilizing a Q-tip. Leave it on for 15 minutes, and afterward wash it off with cold water. Do this 3 times a week for a few months. Green tea. Many people don't know that green tea has a lot of flavonoids that help your eyelashes grow thicker and longer. Make a cup of unsweetened green tea, and let it cool off. Use a Q-tip to put the green tea on your lashes, from the roots to the tips. Let it sit for 15 minutes, and wash it out with cool water. Perform this 2 times a day for 2 to 3 months. Please note, you need to ensure the green tea does not get in your eyes. Coconut milk. Coconut milk has a lot of protein and fats which result in longer and thicker eyelashes. It also gives your eyelashes a beautiful shine. Dip a cotton swab in coconut milk, and apply it to your eyelashes. Let it sit for 10 minutes, and wash it off. Do this 2 times a day for a few months, until you get the length you want. When trying any of these cures, make sure to be very gentle. Try not to pull out eyelashes when you're putting makeup on, or taking it off. You can take a multivitamin supplement to help with eyelash growth, but make sure to ask a doctor before you do. Thank you for watching Health Conscious. Check out the description for our recommended supplements for overall health. Please like the video if you found it informative. For more helpful videos like this one, subscribe and turn on notifications.